The financial world is changing, fast. And at the heart of this change is machine learning. Imagine a world where computers analyze millions of data points in seconds. That's the power of machine learning. It's changing how we invest, assess risks, and even prevent fraud. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. From predicting stock prices to automating trades, machine learning is revolutionizing finance. This essay will be your guide to this exciting world. We'll explore what machine learning is, how it works, and why it matters for the future of finance. Get ready to dive in. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Do your own research and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. Simply put, machine learning is teaching computers to learn from data. It's a fascinating field that combines computer science and statistics to create systems capable of improving their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Imagine showing a child a picture of a cat and saying, "This is a cat." The child starts to understand what a cat looks like. You repeat this with many cat pictures, each time reinforcing the concept. The more examples you show, the better the child gets at recognizing cats. Eventually, the child learns to identify a cat on their own, even in different contexts or environments. Machine learning works similarly, but on a much larger scale. We feed computers massive amounts of data, often millions or even billions of data points. This data can come from various sources like images, text, or numerical values. The computer then finds patterns in this data, identifying relationships and trends that might not be immediately obvious to humans. This allows it to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. For example, it can predict stock market trends, recommend products, or even diagnose diseases. Think of it like this. Traditional programming is like giving a computer a recipe. You provide step-by-step instructions for the computer to follow. Machine learning, on the other hand, is like showing a computer 1,000 cakes and letting it figure out the recipe itself. It learns from the examples and creates its own set of rules to achieve the desired outcome. This ability to learn and adapt makes machine learning incredibly powerful and versatile, opening up new possibilities in fields ranging from healthcare to finance to entertainment. One type of machine learning is supervised learning. Here we give the computer labeled data. For example, we might provide data on past stock prices, along with information on whether the price went up or down the next day. The computer uses this labeled data to learn the relationship between the input, past prices, and the output, price movement. Once trained, the computer can then predict future price movements based on new data. This is how Netflix recommends movies you might like. It analyzes your past viewing history and suggests similar movies you might enjoy. Unsupervised learning is like giving the computer a puzzle with no solution key. We provide the computer with data, but no labels. The computer's job is to find patterns and relationships in this data on its own. Imagine giving a computer 1,000,000 news articles. An unsupervised learning algorithm could cluster these articles into different categories based on their content, even though we never told it what the categories should be. This is how Spotify discovers new music you might enjoy. It analyzes your listening habits and groups you with other users who have similar tastes. It then recommends music that others in your group are listening to. Reinforcement learning training machines like we train dogs. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a dog a new trick. We give the computer a goal. The computer then interacts with an environment, like a financial market, and takes actions. Based on the outcome of its actions, it receives rewards or penalties. The computer learns through trial and error. It tries different strategies and adjusts its approach based on the feedback it receives. Over time, it learns to make decisions that maximize its rewards. This is how self-driving cars are being developed. They learn to navigate roads by driving around and receiving feedback on their actions. Predicting the future machine learning in financial forecasting. Predicting the future is hard. It's a challenge that has puzzled financial experts for decades, but machine learning is making it a little bit easier. By leveraging advanced algorithms and computational power, we can now analyze data in ways that were previously unimaginable. By analyzing massive datasets, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. These patterns can provide valuable insights into market behavior and future financial trends. For example, hedge funds are using machine learning to predict stock prices, assess market sentiment, and identify investment opportunities. This allows them to make more informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Banks are using it to forecast loan defaults and manage risk. By predicting which loans are likely to default, banks can take proactive measures to mitigate potential losses. Imagine a financial analyst trying to predict the price of oil. They would need to consider a multitude of factors, from geopolitical events to supply and demand dynamics. They might look at historical data, news articles, and economic reports. This process is not only time-consuming but also prone to human error. A machine learning algorithm can do the same thing, but on a much larger scale and much faster. It can process vast amounts of data in real time, providing more accurate and timely predictions. This capability is transforming the financial industry, enabling analysts to make better decisions and improve their forecasting accuracy. Machine learning is not just a tool, it's a game changer in financial forecasting. Algorithmic alchemy. Automating trades with machine learning. Machine learning isn't just about making predictions, it's also about taking action. Algorithmic trading, also known as algo trading, uses complex algorithms to buy and sell securities automatically. These algorithms can analyze market data in real time, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades faster than any human could. This is changing the face of trading, making it faster, more efficient, and more accessible. Think of it like this. In the past, traders were like pilots, manually flying their planes or portfolios. Now, with algo trading, they're like air traffic controllers overseeing a fleet of automated planes, outsmarting the scammers' machine learning in fraud detection. Fraud is a major problem in finance. Every year, billions of dollars are lost to fraudulent activities, but machine learning is fighting back. Banks and other financial institutions are using machine learning to detect fraudulent transactions in real time. By analyzing spending patterns, transaction history, and other factors, machine learning algorithms can identify suspicious activity and flag it for review. Imagine you're at the grocery store. You swipe your credit card, and it's declined. Why? Because a machine learning algorithm detected unusual activity on your account and flagged it as potentially fraudulent. The credit conundrum: machine learning and credit scoring. In this section, we delve into how modern technology is revolutionizing the way credit scores are determined and the implications of these changes. Credit scoring is how lenders decide whether to give you a loan and at what interest rate. It's a critical part of the financial system that affects millions of people. Traditionally, credit scores have been based on factors like your payment history, debt levels, and credit utilization. These factors have been the cornerstone of creditworthiness for decades. But machine learning is changing the game. This advanced technology is enabling more sophisticated and nuanced credit scoring models. New credit scoring models are using alternative data sources which go beyond traditional financial metrics, such as your social media activity, online shopping habits, and even your typing speed to assess your creditworthiness. These new data points provide a more comprehensive view of an individual's financial behavior. This approach aims to create a more accurate and inclusive credit scoring system, potentially benefiting those who have been underserved by traditional methods. This is both exciting and controversial. The integration of machine learning in credit scoring promises innovation and efficiency. On the one hand, it could help people with limited credit history access credit. This could open doors for many who have struggled to obtain loans in the past. On the other hand, it raises concerns about privacy and fairness. The use of personal data in new ways can lead to ethical dilemmas and potential biases in the system. As we move forward, it's crucial to balance innovation with ethical considerations, ensuring that the benefits of machine learning in credit scoring are realized without compromising individual rights. The future of finance: will robots replace analysts? The rise of machine learning in finance has led to a natural question. Will robots replace financial analysts? The short answer is no, at least not entirely. While machine learning can automate many tasks, it can't replace human judgment, intuition, and creativity. Financial analysts will still be needed to interpret data, develop strategies, and make decisions in complex situations. However, the role of financial analysts is changing. They'll need to embrace machine learning as a powerful tool and develop new skills to thrive in this data-driven world. Conclusion: embracing the machine learning revolution. The machine learning revolution in finance is here. It's changing how we invest, manage risk, and prevent fraud. While it presents challenges, it also offers tremendous opportunities. By embracing machine learning, financial institutions can become more efficient, more profitable, and more customer-centric. And by understanding the power of machine learning, individuals can make better financial decisions and navigate the complexities of the modern financial world. The future of finance is data-driven. Are you ready? Thank you for watching our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video.